it's Hannah with WTI. Have you ever been working on something and there's just a little piece you need to see way around the back, but it's dark and you can't see it? Well, now you can with Grip's telescopic mirror with light. This tiny little tool will come in handy in all those projects. I love how it is really small, so I can just throw it in my little junk drawer in my kitchen, and it is handy whenever I need to see something. It's also beneficial that it's small because it can reach in all those tiny places. I love that it has a light, so you're not trying to hold a flashlight, your work, and this mirror. It is two in one, and you can see what you're working on really well, even if it's way in the back and it's dark. It's on a ball joint, so this thing can twist around to any position you need to see exactly where you're working. It also slides really easily. It goes from 11 to 34 inches, and the handle has a nice grip, so it's easy to hold on to. This is such a cool multi-purpose tool, whether you are doing home repairs, you need to see behind some junk that you have, you are working on your cars. This is just a really handy tool for every household to have. So when you're ready to see all those tiny little places and get your work done a little bit easier, I highly recommend you try this tool. But that's just my point of view.